Hello, how are you? Welcome to another CFAT Practice Test Questions with answers in problem solving. This is now series number 13 of my video series. So in this video, I'm gonna solve two problems, one in probability and one all about cost per item. But before that, I'd like to take this opportunity to let you know of a free test from armytest.com. There's a free test that you can if you click the free test button, it will take you to the free test. But there's also a paid version, which is the get access button at the bottom. So the get access will allow you to have 950 practice questions, and below is the breakdown of the 950 questions. 520 questions in problem solving, 244 in verbal skills, and 190 in spatial ability. So the solution provided are detailed solutions, and there's animations as well for spatial ability questions. So this is a paid version, but it provides a lot of questions for you to practice as well. So again, I'll put the link in the description of this video. All right, going back to the questions. Question number one. A motorcycle parts store in Quebec has a monthly raffle to boost their sales. Every $100 purchase is worth one ticket. In a certain month, Got No customers have 250 tickets. Sherbrooke has 170. Tadoussac has 180. Rimouski has 160. And Laval has 190 tickets. What is the probability that a winner from Laval will win the monthly raffle? Okay, so there's the probability question. Here are your choices, and the correct answer is 1/5, 1 out of 5, letter D. Solution. So step 1 is that we need to solve for the total number of tickets. So in here you can see the different cities in Quebec that was given. So for Gatineau customers, they have a total of 250 tickets. Sherbrooke has 170, Tadoussac 180, Rimouski 160, and Laval 190. The total tickets is we just all add the tickets of the five cities. So then we got 950 total tickets. And then for the unknown, we're just gonna solve for the Laval winner probability. So in order to do that, we just need to divide 190 for Laval right there. 190 tickets divided by the total, which is 950 right there. So then we get the Laval probability of a winner. So we get 190 divided by 950. We factor 190. We factor them by 19 times 10, which is equal to 190, and the denominator 950, we factor them 19 times 50. And then so the 19 in the denominator will cancel the 19 in the numerator, so then we are left with 10 over 50. And then we can reduce the fraction further to its lowest form, which is 1/5. So 1/5 is 20%. So we got 20% probability, or 1/5, for a customer in Laval to win the raffle. Okay, so that's our answer, letter D. Number 2. So this number 2 here is a little bit challenging. It's the cost per item. So this is a grocery question, which is very practical. So Maria paid $15.98 for 16 bananas and 8 avocados at thrifty food store. Peter paid $6 for 5 avocados in the same store. How much did Maria pay for bananas, and what is the cost of banana per piece? Okay. Here are your choices: A, B, C, and D, and the correct answer is C. So, solution. So, we will let A as the avocado cost paid by Maria, and B is the banana cost paid by Maria. So, both A and B pertains to Maria. Step 1. So we need to formulate an equation 1 using Maria's purchase. So 1598 is equal to A plus B. So 1598 is just the total cost that Maria spent, 1598, for bananas and avocados. So for avocado, it's A, banana is B, so it's just a simple equation here. 1598 is equal to A plus B. Step 2 is to solve the avocado cost per piece using Peter's purchase. So in the problem, we can see that Peter purchased 5 avocados and the cost is $6. So from there, using Peter's purchase, we can solve for the avocado cost per piece. So all we need to do is we divide $6 divided by 5 pieces, because Peter paid $6 for 5 avocados. Then we know that the cost per avocado per piece is $1.20. So then we move to step 3. We solve for the avocado cost paid by Maria. So in the problem, we know that Maria bought 8 avocados. So let me go back to that right there. So Maria bought 8 avocados and 16 bananas. But for now, we are concerned with the 8 avocados that Maria bought. So then we can solve now for A, which is the cost that Maria paid for the avocados. So we just multiply 8 times 1.2. $1.20 is what we got as the avocado cost. So then we have 8 times 1.2, we got 9.6. That's the total cost of avocados that Maria bought. So then we go to step 4. We substitute the value of A in step 3, which is 960, into equation 1. So equation 1, we get 1598 is equal to A plus B. We substitute A, which is 9.60, so we get B is equal to 15.98 minus 9.60. We get B, the cost of banana that Maria bought, as 6.38. Okay, so now the step 5 is to solve for the cost of banana per piece. Now we know that from the problem that Maria bought 16 bananas. So all we have to do to solve for the cost of banana per piece is to divide 6.38 right there, divided by 16, because Maria bought 16 bananas. So 6.38 divided by 16, we get 40 cents per piece. Okay, so we get now the answers are 40 cents per a piece and 6.38. Okay, which is letter C. Okay, so that's it for this video. So again, if you wanted to take advantage of a free CFAT test, I'll put the link in the description for armytest.com. So it's your choice whether to get the free test or the paid version, which provides more practice questions. Okay, it's up to you. So yeah, so I wish you all the best in your CFAT exam. I hope you pass it with flying colors, and wish you all the best in your future career in the Canadian Forces. Okay, cheers and have a good one. Take care.